is a beautiful cooling fan connected with power bank. No need even a proper power supply from the socket. Works very simple. Press this power button for a few seconds, turn on, and then just touch once to make higher speed, and then one more time to do full speed. It has 3 different speeds. Here is the cooling system. You just press for a few seconds to turn it on, and then as you can see the moisture coming out, and you can also increase the level of cooling. Press few seconds for turning on, then touch. Number 2 is higher level, number 3 the highest level, and there is a button to turn on the lights. You can keep to turn on the lights. As you can see, now you can just turn once, change the colors. So it's beautiful, a small cooling portable fan which looks good. The main thing is important is here, before you start this you must have to put water, and you can put also ice to make it more cooling. A normal tap water is good enough, and you can add ice, and then it will give you enough cooling. That's good. I'm really happy to use this product.